Hey Soul Family, welcome to Eringy. I am Erin. Now, if you are feeling a little bit when you just don't know what you want to do with your life, or you're just feeling a little overwhelmed, or you feel like you're living, but you don't actually feel like you are doing it in the way that's in alignment with your soul. Yeah. So that's okay if you are. But this manifestation meditation is going to help bring clarity to your path by helping you connect to the feeling, of what you want to experience. And it's that feeling that's going to help you open up all the doors to opportunities that really start that momentum around manifesting your deep desires that your soul has come here to experience. So roll out your mat or just get yourself incredibly comfortable, however you choose, and let's get started.
Sit yourself down or lie down in a comfortable position. Ensure that as you do this meditation, you're in a space where you won't be disturbed and where you feel completely safe and relaxed. Just breathing normally, simply witnessing your breath as you adjust your body to the perfect comfort level. Relax the muscles in your neck and jaw. Relax the shoulders. Allow them to move back. Relax the stomach and your lower back. And just allow your body to sink into the support beneath you, just pulling you down into a deep state of relaxation. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, imagine your body melting down into that support beneath you, feeling fully grounded here and comforted by the energy around you and within you. This meditation serves to help you find the roadmap of where you want to be in life, who you want to become, what you want to do, what you want in life. So as you continue to just naturally breathe easily, soothing your thoughts, and entrusting that your busy mind is now slowing down with the rhythm of your breath, you know that this is the perfect time to explore your soul's roadmap. So place your hands on your heart center and feel that regular beat of your heart. The rhythm of your heart beats to the rhythm of your life. And just notice, is it beating quickly, slowly, or just right? And as you watch the beat, not forcing it in any way, ask yourself, how do I want to feel? How do I want to feel? Was there a time in your life when you felt this way? Or maybe you saw something that reminds you of this feeling. So as you visualize this type of memory, cultivate it into your being. Feel what this memory feels like. Bring forth the emotions of what this memory has into your own emotional makeup. Connect to the desires that this memory presents to you. And just remain in a state of appreciation for this, instead of disbelieving that you deserve this or that you should want this. Leave any judgment or criticism behind and step into this desire. Breathe into these feelings and emotions completely and fully. Breathe into this experience as though you're already living it. And allow the sensation of this experience absorb into every part of your body, of your mind, spirit and soul, uniting in harmony with your energy. And if you feel any hesitation or resistance to this, simply locate it in your body, direct your breath to that part of your body, and on your out-breath, let that resistance go. Breathing in and letting that resistance go. And as you breathe deeply and with intention, guide your thoughts to memories, experiences, and desires that represent how you want to feel. Let your mind take you on a journey. Let it wander. Let it create images and sensations of the kind of world you want to be a part of, the kind of world you want to see. And as you find clarity in how you want to feel and what you want to see, try to embody that. Like watching a movie, see yourself doing what it is that you desire. See it play out in your mind's eye. Pick up on the finer details. Notice the colors, textures, and shapes. Notice what you hear in this moment. Perhaps some music playing, spoken words, laughter or giggling. Notice how you feel in this moment. Joyful, peaceful, grateful, or any other feelings that help you create this experience. See yourself be the kind of person you desire to be. The one who doesn't limit themselves, but allows for expansion and growth. The one who has trust in their path and complete trust in the universe. The one who has trust in their path and complete trust in themselves. With every breath, connect more and more deeply to what you see, what you feel, what you hear, and what you are. Breathe into these feelings of excitement and joy, feelings of relief and appreciation, of confidence, expansiveness, enthusiasm. Breathing into all of it. And if any of these feelings bring forth emotion, let it flow. Just sense yourself as the change that you desire, the one who has already achieved what you want, the one who has already grown into who you want to be and where you want to be. Just feel your way into that experience now. Breathing deeply and evenly. Let your mind wander. Your emotions guide you. The music move you. Take a deep breath in now and release. Come back into your body, wiggling your toes and fingertips. Rub your palms together and reconnect to your body now. Honor all that you've experienced here, connecting to those feelings which you can and will embody throughout your day. And trust that your feelings create the world that you want to see, the world you want to be in. So take another deep breath in and release. And when you're ready, open your eyes.